Teuna Classic have just hit a huge amount, a huge investment. I mean, I just need to do this video because I was like, just 3 wallets investing over $7 million on Teuna Classic. Not on BTC, not on Ethereum, not on BNB, not on Solana, not on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, but they choose Teuna Classic coins. Wow, over 7 million being invested, being pumped into Teuna Classic by just 3 wallets. Okay, from 3 wallets. So well, the truth is, this must be, some people believe it must be one of the whales or huge individuals that are like whales. We still also have a group of people who are just like whales. Okay, they come together, they invest, they buy coins. And for me, more will be coming, because even Binance himself, CZ, he owns over $1 billion. Sorry, over 1.6 trillion coins of Teuna Classic. Okay, so according to rumor, over $200 million worth of investment have been invested on Teuna Classic by CZ. That is why many believe he has been showing great support. Okay, that's why they believe Binance has been showing great support, giving more special support towards Teuna Classic because of the investment the founder actually invested according to rumor, because they believe he owns 1/3 or almost half of Teuna Classic coin. Okay, so well, for me, what I know is I want to keep on seeing Teuna Classic improving. I want to keep on seeing Teuna Classic pumping. I want to keep on seeing more better news every day. We are almost getting to the end of June, half of the year. And this June, like I said last month, June will favor LUNC. And finally, June favored Teuna Classic coin. And I believe that July, definitely next month, July, is definitely going to change a lot of things on Teuna Classic. Teuna Classic is going to shock a lot of people by next month, July. That will be a huge difference. Okay, that will be a huge difference. I see LUNC bouncing back, okay, rising by July. According to technical analysis, according to fundamental analysis, Teuna Classic might be rising, pumping more than what they pumped this month of June. Let's wait and see. Do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. That's the golden advice. Thank you.